Alright, so the footers are dug, and right now we've got our level lines figured from that orange mark over here on the house. See if you can see it. And that's where we're leveling off for the block and the top of the garage. We're going to step down from the house floor line down here into the garage. And we're debating now to do step block or to do a level pour, or to stop the pour here in this corner and then drop raise this up and then pour this higher. Change the block and block it higher, because this corner is a lot lower than the house corner. And then here we're just starting our string lines, and we're showing where we want the concrete poured to. So there'll be another set of string lines here when the block guys get here. So this right now we're just trying to figure out, because see, we've got all this from the old garage, so we got to be higher than that anyway. So right now you just take the center, you find out this line right here tells you about, you're going to be about 2 inches above that screw there for your flat work for your garage. And this from here to here is going to be your fill. And he's going to, Jonathan got somebody from the steel company that has all that slag, and they're going to come in here and bring that slag in. And let me see if I can get through here. That tree is gone. That was here. And this is the tree roots from it. From all these trees, look at all the tree roots. So we gotta cut away all the tree roots next. And this was you can see where the driveway came through here. That's what that gravel's from, the original driveway. It came through here. So the deck is going. Alright, so that's garage. And then over here, sorry about the wind again when we come around this corner. Isn't that beautiful? Wouldn't that make for a really cool coffee table or something? To me, that is so neat. Sad the tree died and had to go, but alright, look at this. Now we got let's see if you can hear that better. Can you hear me better if I do that? The deck is out front here now. And all the plumbing here. We've got the new plumbing put in here for the new kitchen sink and drain and all that's going to be here. We still have to move the utility box, but we need that right now. And when I told you I bet there was old siding on here, wow, was I ever right. So that's all got to get closed in. So this will be the deck coming out to right here. Nice deep front porch come off here. The kitchen, we ended up bringing it out, I think 14 here is going to be the extended breezeway leading in to the garage. And then basically the driveway will still be here. It's going to come over just a little bit this way. About where we've laid this really cool piece of granite rock here. Isn't that neat? That thing's huge. Another beautiful day on my son's homestead. All the trees have come out since you last been here, and the garden got planted. You see that? Garden got planted. So today, so you don't see his mailbox, I had to tip you there. Get a load of that view, folks. Get a load of that view. And it just runs downhill, so that's why we got to get that garage corner up. See how that runs down and back up? Same here, down and back up. Someone asked me how many acres is here. He's got 3.5. It's just right for a little mini small farm. Alright, so again, covered porch will come out, the new kitchen, the breezeway. This right here is a bathroom, by the way. I think they should put another door in here so when people come in and out of this breezeway area for the pool, they'll be able to come right in here in the back side of the bathroom, but I'm being overruled on that one. Okay, so what my son and I have done is we've came through here, and now this is an 8-inch drop here, and one step drop from here to this block line, so we're step blocking it here, coming off the house. So we can meet with this low corner over here at the bottom of the hill. So now we just raised our screws here, started off this one, and got the string line up, and level it from this corner to this corner to this corner and this corner, keeping it, you know, as straight as in the middle as possible. The pour itself is going to fill up that whole gap, so they'll be able to square up the block. Alright, be right back. I had to dig out some of the corners here, but we got that done too. And now we're just dealing with the tree roots.
Fix the roof on your camper? Oh. Yeah. I was calling here. I don't want to bug you too much stuff. I thought maybe if you want to ask your dad about this footer over here, he does it. That backside, you know how shallow it was.
These roots coming out of the tree definitely make it worse. Every 24 inches, we're going to put in I'm just going to put in a piece of rebar, and then you want to set that rebar every 24 inches to every 28 inches. And then we're going to make sure the top of this cut rebar hits the bottom of the string line. 24 inches. Hitting roots and things like that makes it really a lot harder. I think I hear Carter, or I hear Cheyenne. Yeah, these tree roots make it harder, don't they?
Yeah. There's a little back to it.